Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have admin rights and an active connection. Once confirmed, open your laptop's network settings and select the adapter you use for internet. Make sure to flush the local DNS cache so stale records don't interfere. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushdns, and on Mac OS, run sudo dscacheutil flushcache. This clears local state and prepares the system to accept new DNS settings. After flushing, make sure your adapter is enabled, and note whether it uses DHCP or static configuration. You now set concrete DNS servers. If you want speed and reliability, enter a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1, otherwise use your ISP's addresses. On Windows, open Adapter Properties, select IP4 and place DNS addresses in the DNS fields. On Mac OS, open Network right arrow Advanced right arrow DNS and add servers. On Linux, edit /etc/resolve conf or manage entries through Network Manager to persist changes. Remember to use sudo. Once set, save and apply so your system starts querying the new resolvers. You finish by verifying the change. Run nslookup or dig against a known domain to confirm the resolver responds and returns addresses. Once done, restart the network service or reboot the laptop to ensure all apps use the new settings. If names still fail to resolve, check the host's file for overrides, temporarily disable VPN or firewall that might intercept DNS, and test with alternate public servers. If necessary, contact your ISP. But first, make sure no local software is blocking DNS traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.